high puff is one of my signature styles, but if you wear it all the time, you are risking thinning your edges and damaging your hair. But the good thing is, you don't have to. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate 3 different methods of achieving a high puff. However, there is one that I must warn you about. If you keep doing your high puff in this way, there's a good chance that you're going to end up with a receding hairline. Unless that's the look you're going for.
Getting a receding hairline. Keep going, keep going. We want that receding. Go, pull it tighter.
And if you are, I support it, sis. And if you aren't, make sure you watch to the very end so you can see which method I'm referring to. And hopefully avoid one of the mistakes that I made. Before we get too far along, I'm Char, and this is Acutely Aware. We discuss natural hair, beauty tips, and mindfulness. If you're on the path of self-discovery and you want to level up your natural hair care and mindset, then subscribe and join our family. Now, grab a spray bottle, use filtered water in it if possible, get your favorite gel, a brush, and a scarf. The first method I'm going to cover is the pony hook. Grab your spray bottle and spray down your hair with water. Make sure it's nice and saturated. Position your hair where you want your puff to sit. Now with the gel, detangle your hair and smooth your edges down with the gel. Grip your ponytail and with the opposite hand, insert one end into the base of your ponytail and wrap the other around 2 or 3 times. And insert the other hook into the base. And there's your puff. What I like about using a pony hook is that it's super simple to take down. All you need to do is unhook it from your hair and it comes off easily without getting tangled. Method 2, the figure 8. Just like the first method, you will wet your hair and gel it down where you want your ponytail to sit. And using an elastic headband, create a figure 8 and place it over your hair. Voila, that's it. That's the figure 8 method. Easy. Method 3, the shoestring method. With this method, you can use a shoestring, an elastic band, stocking. I've even seen a bra strap. I'm just going to use the same elastic headband, but cut into one string. Hold both ends of the elastic and place it behind your head. Hold your head towards the floor. Hold both ends of the elastic and place it behind your head. Jump up and down. Just kidding. Bring both ends towards the front. Cross and pull until you have a puff. Take ends to the back and tie it like a bow or a knot. Now after each of these methods, you're going to tie a scarf around your head and leave it that way for about 5 to 10 minutes so your hair dries in place. So that's all 3 methods, y'all. Now comment below and let me know which method you prefer or currently do. Are you team 1, team 2, or team 3? Each method is a personal preference. However, I recommend staying away from method 3. Not only does method 3 require more steps, but it also requires more manipulation and friction on your hand strands. And not to mention the tension that's on your edges. Do you ever go out throughout the day and notice you have a headache? Feel like your edge is on fire? That's because it's too tight, boo. And that's easy to do whenever you're using method number 3. Of course, we want to look cute, and that's important, but we also don't want to cause damage and breakage to our strands. This is not a sponsored video, but if you're interested in purchasing a pony hook, they're on Amazon, only for about $6. I'll also leave a link in the description. So that's it. I hope that this video helped one of you, and if it did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are notified on my weekly videos. And if you're interested in seeing more of my day-to-day life, you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Thank you again for watching Acutely Aware, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!